Birds. Majestic, beautiful, and deadly? While they might seem like harmless creatures of the sky, some birds are equipped with surprising weapons and fierce territorial instincts. Today, we're counting down 6 of the world's most dangerous birds. Along the way, you'll discover fascinating facts and unbelievable stories about these avian predators. Prepare to see the avian world in a whole new light. Six birds you should never mess with. Cassowary. First on our list is the cassowary, often called the world's most dangerous bird. Native to the rainforests of Australia and New Guinea, this large flightless bird can weigh up to 160 pounds and run up to 31 miles per hour. But it's their feet that make them deadly. The cassowary's middle toe is armed with a sharp dagger-like claw capable of slashing through flesh. In 1926, a cassowary attack resulted in a fatality when a young hunter's jugular vein was severed. More recently, in 2012, a cassowary kicked a tourist off a ledge. Fortunately, the tourist survived. Lesson learned: don't mess with a cassowary. Ostrich. Next up, the ostrich, the world's largest bird. Native to Africa, ostriches can grow up to 9 feet tall and weigh over 300 pounds. While they're built for speed, capable of running 45 miles per hour, their powerful legs are also lethal weapons. An ostrich kick can kill a lion, and yes, even a human. Just ask Johnny Cash. The famous musician once faced an aggressive ostrich on his property in 1981. The bird slashed at him, but thanks to a sturdy belt buckle, Cash avoided what could have been a fatal injury. Emu. The emu, a relative of the cassowary, is another flightless bird with a reputation for aggression. These birds can reach speeds of 30 miles per hour and pack a powerful kick with their 3-toed feet. While fatalities are rare, emus are not shy about defending themselves. In 2009 alone, over 100 emu-related injuries were reported. Let's just say they're not fans of personal space. Lammergeier. The Lammergeier, also known as the bearded vulture, takes danger to new heights, literally. These birds drop bones from up to 260 feet to crack them open and access the marrow. Legend has it that the ancient Greek playwright Aeschylus died when a Lammergeier mistook his bald head for a rock and dropped a tortoise on it. While experts question the story, one thing's for sure: you wouldn't want to be under one of these birds when they're hunting. Great horned owl. Owls might not be the first birds you'd think of as dangerous, but great horned owls are powerful predators. Found across the Americas, these owls can grow over 2 feet tall, with wingspans approaching 80 inches. Their talons can exert 500 pounds of pressure per square inch, strong enough to blind or even kill. In 2012, several joggers in Seattle reported being attacked by a great horned owl defending its territory. Talk about a bad run. Barred owl. Last on our list is the barred owl, a smaller cousin of the great horned owl. Found across North America, these owls may look harmless, but their sharp talons and territorial nature tell a different story. One barred owl even became part of a bizarre murder case in North Carolina. The victim's injuries, deep scalp wounds and scratches, led some to suggest an owl attack caused her death, not foul play. It's a strange but true example of how dangerous these birds can be. So there you have it, 6 of the world's most dangerous birds. While attacks on humans are rare, these birds remind us of the power and unpredictability of nature. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more wild content. Thank you for watching.